Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram, right? So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here, and just let me tell you that you have to use the updated version of Facebook, right? So if you haven't, then just go to the Play Store. Just like here, you have to just go to the Play Store, and on the search bar you have to type Instagram and make sure to update the app, right? So after updating the app, just come to the home screen and open the Instagram app, and here you will not option to, and you will not get any option that to check that who unfollowed you on Instagram, right? So you have to do one thing. You have to again just go to the Play Store, and on the search bar you have to type unfollow, right? In this way, if you type unfollower, you will just see this third-party mobile application. Here you have to just download it, any of them, and you can see that followers and followers who is not following you back and who have just unfollowed you. In this way you can find it. But if you want to check the manually, because there is some privacy concern in the if you use this kind of third-party apps, because you have to re-log in into this app by using your Instagram ID, right? So this is kind of very privacy concern. So let me just show you the manually, but it's going to be very time taking. You have to just go to the account whom you think that person has unfollowed me. For example, if I just go on this, and here you can see that I will get option to follow back him. So in this way you can just do it, right? So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.